Hey, what's happening, guys? Good morning. You've tuned into Rules for Rebels. Just going to do a short video today. We're going to call this the email marketing tip of the day. And this is actually a little tip, a little hack that I learned at IRCE this past weekend. And I'm kind of shocked this isn't something that I've been doing for years. But I was actually meeting with the vendor of OmniSend, which is an email marketing platform. That's, I would say, their main competitor is Klaviyo. It's kind of a new one, and they're trying to compete with Klaviyo. On their website, they have a chart comparison of OmniSend to Klaviyo. But I imagine most of you guys are using probably MailChimp or Klaviyo. Check out OmniSend, though. It looks interesting. The email tip of the day, though, use countdown timers in your email. This is something that I've never done in the past. And I feel like countdown timers get overused a lot. A lot of people all over their website, there's countdowns, and a lot of times you can tell the countdown timers are fake. Like, you know, I was at your website 24 hours ago and there were 3 hours left on the timer, and I'm back 2 days later and there's still 3 hours left on the timer. It just looks fake. But you can actually put countdown timers in email, and again, I'd say don't use them all the time, or they kind of lose the shock value is the wrong word, but they kind of lose that urgency factor if they're in every email. But if you're doing a big sale, if it's your biggest sale of the year, you can send out an email preemptively, maybe 24 hours before the sale starts. Hey, you know, let's say I got a paddleboard company. You know, summer is already a third of the way through. Time flies. There's still time to get out on your paddleboard. Our biggest sale of the year, our 4th of July sale, starts in 24 hours, and you set the countdown timer. Or you could do that, and then you could do another one. Once you actually initially send out the sales email, you could do something like, sale runs 24 hours, get it while you can. And the way these countdown timers work, you don't set a countdown timer for 12 hours and it ticks down. You set the end date. So if somebody goes back and checks your email more than once, that timer will change for them. So, you know, when they initially check it, there's going to be 18 hours. If they go back 10 hours later and check it again, there's only going to be 8 hours left. Like I said, I imagine most people are using either MailChimp or Klaviyo. And you can easily do these countdown timers with both services. You just got to go find a third-party countdown tool. And I believe one is called Sendrick. I believe the other one is called Mail Countdown or Email Countdown. I'll link to two of them in the description box below. I'm also going to drop down two links, one to how to do this on MailChimp and another to how to do this on Klaviyo. And if you guys, you know, I know 4th of July is right around the corner. If you guys are having a big 4th of July sale and you want to implement a countdown timer into your 4th of July sale, very easy instructions on how to do so. And again, I can't believe I've never done this before. It's so simple, so easy, and it just never really occurred to me to do. But it's very easy to do. You know, all these services have block editors. You're pretty much just going to pull over an image, and as opposed to uploading an image, you're just going to use a web address. And after you create this countdown timer, which is going to let you select the color, the style, you can really make it kind of fit the theme of your email. You're just going to plug in the web address from the embed code on a countdown timer, and you're good to go. So like I said, I'll drop all the links below, but that is your email marketing tip of the day. If I don't talk to you guys before then, have a great 4th of July, and I'll catch you later.